In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Android phone is stuck in headphone mode. Now, there's a couple of reasons why this may be happening, and I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this. Now, the most basic thing that you want to try doing is just using your finger to swipe down in the top of the screen, and you'll see in this control center we have the flight mode. Now, just go and toggle this to on and wait around 5 to 10 seconds. You could then try turning the airplane mode off, and then you can check to see if that's fixed the headphone mode. Now, if it's not working, we're going to try power cycling the device. So just come over to the side of your phone like this, and you need to hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to hold these two buttons down, and you're going to continue to hold these down until eventually the screen goes completely black. Now, even when the screen goes black, continue to hold these two buttons down, and after about 10 more seconds, you should see the Samsung logo appear, and that's when you can go and release these two buttons. You can wait for your Samsung phone to restart, and then you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now, if it's not working, then come down to the bottom of your phone, and you'll see here the headphone jack. Now, sometimes what can happen is you may get dirt or debris that kind of gets stuck in this hole at the bottom. So what I'd recommend doing is grabbing something like a cotton bud or something quite small and sharp that you can stick in this headphone port, and you just need to make sure it's free from any dust or dirt that may have got stuck inside there. Now, once again, if you have tried this and it's still not working, the final solution is we can go and load up the Play Store on your phone. You can then use the search box and search for disable headphone and press search. Now, you'll see this application at the top. Go and click on install, and after it's finished installing, we can just open up the app. Now, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, and once you have the app open, you can click on speaker. You can then press this test sound button, and you should now be able to hear the sound coming out of your speakers.